A team of researchers, including Carnegie's Mansi Kasloval and John Mulcahy, used a novel astronomical survey software system, the Intermediate Palomar Transient Factory, or iPTF, to link a new stripped envelope supernova named iPTF 13BVN to the star from which it exploded. The iPTF team also pinpointed the first afterglow of an explosion called a gamma ray burst that was found by the Fermi satellite. Their findings reflect the first time a star has been linked to the resulting explosion for this type of supernova, called Type 1b. The discovery offers very important answers about how this supernova type is formed, a problem that has eluded scientists for years. Pinpointing a progenitor star at exactly the same location as a Type 1b supernova was the best way to test the theories about the genesis of this type of explosion, linking the supernova to its predecessor star. Future imaging will help identify whether this progenitor was a single star, a binary star, or a star cluster. The new supernova was discovered in mid-June. No explosive light source was detected even a day earlier. Baby pictures of this one-day-old supernova were promptly taken by telescopes in the radio, X-ray, ultraviolet, and infrared wavelengths, providing vital clues about its origins and confirming that it was indeed a Type 1b supernova. Now scientists need to patiently wait for the supernova to fade away and see if the star disappears. About a third of all supernovas of massive stars are of the Type 1b. There are several theoretical models as to how they are formed, including mass transfer due to solar winds between a pair of binary stars. It's thought that the progenitors are either massive helium stars or a type of very large, very hot stars known as Wolf-Rayet stars. The team thinks that their observations are consistent with the progenitor having been a Wolf-Rayet star. If so, this would be a breakthrough discovery. The subject of the team's second paper using data from the new software system is a gamma-ray burst afterglow called iPTF 13BXL. Gamma-ray bursts are high-energy explosions that form some of the brightest celestial events. They can signify energy release during a supernova. Each burst is followed by an afterglow, which emits lower wavelength radiation than the original explosion. Soon after the detection of a gamma-ray burst by the Fermi satellite, the team started hunting for the afterglow over a huge field more than 360 times the size of the full moon. They then had to narrow a list of more than 27,000 gamma-ray burst candidates down to a single afterglow. Follow-up research confirmed the relationship between the iPTF 13BXL afterglow and a particular gamma-ray burst called GRB 130702A. The team then used the Magellan telescope to find the afterglow's so-called redshift value, which is a measurement of how much the light from it that reaches us on Earth has been stretched by the expansion of the universe. Thus, it reveals the afterglow's distance and tells astronomers where to look for an object such as a supernova which might emerge in the wake of the explosion. The sophisticated Intermediate Palomar Transient Factory software used to identify iPTF 13BXL now prepares scientists to locate about 10 gamma-ray bursts every year. Future endeavors could help them identify other, fainter signatures, such as those accompanying the merger of binary neutron stars. The afterglow discovery was an important milestone on the road to the goal of being able to detect light from gravitational waves in the cosmos, for which scientists have been searching for decades. Their work will be published by astrophysical journal Letters in 2 papers, led by Li Chao and Leo Singer, both of the California Institute of Technology. With the independence for nimble pursuit, Carnegie scientists tackle some of the most profound challenges in modern science, fundamentally changing what is possible for us, our planet, and our universe.